Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to be doing a freestyle, and I'm going to be using some reflective glitter and also some like a nude pink color from Rosalind. And basically these are just gel nails, pretty much like gel press-ons. And I'm going to start off with this Born Pretty reflective glitter, and I just wanted to use this color honestly because it's really pretty. But they did send me 6 colors. I'll have that video linked below, but we're going to start off by just applying a base. And I did 2 coats for the base, but you can just do 1, but I did 2. And I'm now going to be ombreing this nude into it. So I didn't end up liking how this color looked on top, ombre on top of the reflective glitter. So what I ended up doing is putting the reflective glitter back on top of this color. And what you can do to avoid this, if you don't like this look either, you can just put your nude first and then ombre that, and then do your reflective glitter on top. But I am going to do 2 coats of this, and then I'm going to put more reflective glitter on top because I want the ombre to be like that. And it does give off a different look when you have your reflective glitter on top versus when you have your nude on top of the reflective glitter. I'm now doing a matte top coat just to see how I like it, but I didn't really end up liking it that much. So obviously in the end I ended up putting a glossy top coat, but I figured that I might as well do my my French tip on top of the matte top coat. So now that the base of these nails are done with the reflective glitter ombres, I'm going to be doing V French tips on the thumb and the index finger and also the pinky finger. Honestly, V Frenches are like my favorite, honestly, because they are so like classy, and French tips in general are classy, but V Frenches are like luxury classy. And I don't know the difference for real, but I'm pretty sure that V Frenches give off more of like a luxury vibe. But anyways, I'm just gonna fill this in after I'm done, and I'm gonna be doing like 2 to 3 coats of this. for the middle two nails, like the index and ring finger, I'm going to be doing a slant. I don't know what the design is called. Still to this day, I don't know what the design is called, but it's kind of like a slant French tip. It's almost like I'm doing half of a V French instead of, a whole V French. So that's what I'm doing on this nail and also the nail next to it. So this is how it's looking, a very simple base. But now I'm gonna add some bling, obviously. So the bling for the V French on this thumb specifically is gonna be pretty simple. I'm not doing too much actually for all the V Frenches, but I will be doing some flowers with some 3D sculpting gel, and it's like almost the last few bits of white sculpting gel that I have, but I still have like plenty, like enough to do, like, I don't know, a lot of more flowers, but it's still not a lot. But I'm adhering these stones on with my Born Pretty top coat. If you want your stones to last, use some rhinestone glue, use some Rosalind or Macart rhinestone glue, and I'm just recommending those because those are the ones that I've had the best experiences with. So use those rhinestone glues, sorry, if you want your rhinestones to last. But I'm just using top coat since these nails are temporary, and I'm gonna pop them right off after this video. So I am using a little bit of Beetles rhinestone glue. I don't recommend Beetles rhinestone glue for rhinestones. I do recommend it for crayon nails though, but not rhinestones, just because I don't know the longevity of it, and I can't really test that out since I always pop off my nails and I don't like using it. So I can't recommend it for this, but I am using it just because I don't want to top coat these nails just yet. So now I'm doing my sculpted flowers with 3D gel, and I'm using Born Pretty hand extension gel, that's what it's called. And this one specifically glows in the dark, which is pretty cool, even though I didn't think glow in the dark flowers really fit the vibe of this set. They were still pretty anyways. But I'm basically just sculpting it into a flower shape with this tool. I don't know what this tool is called. It's kind of like a cuticle pusher, but it's like the cuticle pushing part is like way longer. I think it might be for toes, and this part might be for like scraping the dead skin. So I'm gonna call it a cuticle pusher for toes, I guess. That's what I'm using to sculpt these, and I'm smoothing it out with a polygel brush. So now that the little flower is done, I'm top coating the nail, including the flower, because this flower is made with 3D sculpting gel, which does leave a sticky layer, at least the ones that are from Born Pretty. So I'm going ahead and top coating it, and I don't mind glossy flowers. So, and if you do mind glossy flowers, just go ahead and top coat it with a matte top coat instead, and that should just solve the problem. I'm also top coating the rest of my nails, and I'm gonna be doing I'm gonna be using some Rosalind bling glue to adhere the bling for the slanted nails, because I actually wanted the bling to stay in place while I was doing it. So yeah. So for the placement of this bling, I'm just going to be doing a really simple, elegant butterfly type of look, and I'm going to be putting it only alongside the line of the little slant that I did, and it's going to be almost the same on both nails, not exactly the same, but similar, and then that's going to be it. And then we can get into the reveal shots and how these look with flash on, which they look so pretty with the flash. And I would do sunlight, but it's wintertime and I refuse to go outside. So I did the other one off camera, and now I'm filing the free edge, and this is to help with all of that gel polish that kind of got a little bit bulky at the free edge. It kind of made the nail lose its shape a little bit, so I'm just filing them at the free edge to help it out a little bit. But pretty much after I do that, the nails are done, and here they are. So let me know what y'all think of these below. I love how they turned out. I love the French. I always love doing ombres with French on top. It's very pretty. So let me know what y'all think of them, and be sure to leave a comment about what y'all think, and leave a like on this video if you liked it. I'll do more tutorials like this in the future, as always, and let me know what y'all want to see in the future as well. So thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope to see y'all next time. Bye.